To edit photos on the Samsung A07 by using AI, I can highly recommend you to use Google Photos because in the gallery of a Samsung, this feature is not available. So if you don't have Google Photos on your phone, just make sure that you download this for free from Google Play Store. But now, once you actually open the Google Photos, you can pick any photo that you want. And by clicking here, just open the photo that you want to edit, click on the edit button. And now, as you can see, we can find all of those AI recommendation, enhanced, the dynamic, and boost. And over here, we can pick one of the following option, and that's quick adjustment. You don't have to use all of those parameters manually. I'm talking about, all of those things like tone, contrast, black point, white point, highlights, and stuff like that. So we can quickly edit them over here. We get 3 recommendations. In my opinion, this one looks the best. You can even zoom in a little bit to see how it looks when you zoom in a little bit closer. And now, if you want to just apply those changes, you have to click Save in the right upper corner.